Ever dreamed of having your beautiful lavender garden, but worried it might not survive the cold winters in Zone 6? Good news! You can absolutely grow amazing lavender even in chilly weather. Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, even if you are a beginner. If you love easy, real-life gardening tips that actually work, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking all about lavender and how you can grow it strong, healthy, and beautiful right here in Zone 6. First things first, what is Zone 6 anyway, and why does it matter? Zone 6 is all about how cold your winters get, usually dropping to around 0 degrees Fahrenheit. That can sound scary for plants like lavender, but do not worry with the right steps. Lavender can handle it. One thing you want to check is your microclimate. Is your yard super windy? Does it stay wet after rain? Is there a spot where snow sticks around longer? All of these little details can help you pick the best spot for your lavender. Now, not all lavender plants are the same. If you live in Zone 6, English lavender is your best friend. It is tough, smells amazing, and handles the cold way better than other types. French lavender looks beautiful, but is a little more sensitive. You might need to baby it through winter. Spanish lavender loves the heat more than the cold, so it is not the best pick for Zone 6 unless you give it extra care. Choosing the right type now will save you a lot of trouble later. And stay tuned, because in a minute, I am going to share a simple trick that helps lavender survive even the coldest nights, plus a few beginner mistakes you definitely want to avoid. Alright, let's talk about when and where to plant. The best time to plant lavender in Zone 6 is spring, once the ground has warmed up a little and the risk of frost is gone. Lavender loves sunshine. It needs at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun every day. And it really hates wet feet, so make sure the soil drains well. When planting, give your lavender plenty of space. Each plant needs room to breathe. Tight, crowded plants trap moisture, and that can cause big problems. Now, once you have planted your lavender, the first year is all about care. Water your plants deeply once a week, but let the soil dry out between waterings. Lavender hates sitting in soggy soil. After the flowers bloom, give your plant a little trim. Just snip off the faded blooms and a few inches of the stem. This keeps the plant neat and encourages fuller, bushier growth next year. As winter approaches, protect your lavender by adding a light layer of mulch around the base. Straw, pine needles, or shredded leaves work great. If you know a brutal freeze is coming, you can even cover young plants with a frost cloth. Now here is the fun part: harvesting your lavender. The best time to cut is when about half the flowers on a stem are open. Use sharp scissors or garden shears and cut early in the morning when the oils are strongest. To dry lavender, just tie a few stems together and hang them upside down in a dark, dry spot indoors. Or if it is a warm, breezy day, you can dry them outside in the shade. Once dried, you can use your lavender in so many creative ways. Make scented sachets for your drawers, create your essential oils, or even flavor your lemonade and desserts. And that is it! Growing lavender in Zone 6 is easier than you might think. As long as you pick the right type, plant it right, and give it a little love. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share your lavender stories in the comments, and subscribe for more simple gardening guides. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Happy planting!